Lovely weather for ducks, isn't it? Just gonna get some more footage out for you because I'm nice like that. So today I'm just gonna show you a little bit of this and that. So to start with, I've dug out a load of stuff that I'm gonna get listed today. Hopefully all of this will be processed and listed today. So I'll get all this listed. Oh, look at this, look. I put all the tiles on there. You can't really notice it, but I had to move them off of here because it snapped the thing on there. It says it can hold 200 kilo of shelf. So I'm guessing all these tiles, and then when I add them there as well, must be more than 200 kilos. So that's annoying. I'm not going to show you too much of the warehouse because that's a little treat to show you later. But anyway, bin bags ready to go outlet. What I will show you is the gym, or what used to be the gym. Got rid of all the rugs, cleaned it up in here. Got rid of the gym flooring's gone. Just kept the running machine because the missus wants it, and some weights down there. Now this is not staying in here, and neither is that, but what I'm using this area for now is to store stuff that is only going to the shop, because when this and that and like other bits is just plonked over there, it just gets in the way and it looks cluttered. It looks cluttered now, but it needs sorting out. But it also stops us being able to get to the stuff that is for eBay. And don't know if you can see here, I've decided to stop selling them as a permanent listing because I actually don't make any money doing that. So yeah, now I'm going to show you a bit of packing. So I have this stuff here, so it's not going to be a long packing video. It's not much to pack, but I'll show you how I pack it anyway. That's glass, so I'll show you how I pack that. So first up, I'll put screenshots up on the screen so you can see what the item is and what it's sold for, because I ain't going to remember. That's just a South Park teddy with its tags. So that there, I'll literally just cut that in a poly mailer with a business card. And it goes that's how we're done. Then we'll get these ones done. Shoes. Just an eBay box, which you get using your £10 voucher if you go to the shop. Every month they give you £10. Now these are just Adidas specials. Literally just business card, shovel it in there. Some old carrier bags, those boys through. That's that one done. just 50 random records.
Is it? Oh, I was hoping I was getting way worse.
Literally just put them in a box. I'm not talking to myself, by the way.
I've seen.
Yeah. Then there's old carrier bags. Business card. People keep asking about this tape gun. Oh, sorry. Connor's in the window in the office there, deep throating a banana. Everyone keeps asking about this tape gun, so I'll put a link in the description down below. Next, let's do these books. Hopefully they fit in this box. I reckon they will. Business card. Got a little bit of void fill. Jump then.
Sorry, mate.
So that's the boats done. Literally just put them in a box with a little bit of void fill. Alright, let's get this one done now. So this is like a tapestry picture of peacocks in a glass frame. So literally just do loads of bubble wrap and then I'll do a few card wraps. I used to always get pictures and mirrors and stuff like that broken in the post, but since we've been doing it this way, we used to do it this way anyway, just not as much bubble wrap and not as many card wraps. So now we overkill on the packaging, please. And since we've been doing that, touch wood, not had an issue. your Grundies in the wash, have you?
Yeah.
It's had them on for a week.
Yeah, well, flip them round once.
Now card wrap. So just a cardboard box, lid just going to fold in half, put that there. That is just going to be the base. Made a good one there. There we go. Nice. You waiting to start?
Can't do anything, I can't use the login.
Right.
I was going to say when you've done that one.
I'll be a while, so we'll just pause it. Be back in a minute. Whoa! I'm back, baby. So what I'll do now with this is I will just card wrap. Make sure we keep it tight so it doesn't wobble around. Like so. On the end, just tape it together. So on the ends, there's also a little void there. So if it was to be dropped like that, it's not going to hit the actual mirror. This one could be trimmed down a bit. But I'm not going to. There, and that. That's done. Then we got an ashtray, another ashtray, and a ceramic mug or tankard. So let's do this small ashtray. Again, literally just bubble wrap it, business card. Then what I also do is a little card wrap. Like so. And that. Too flimsy, that one. Well, I might put in here. And like so. That one done. Doesn't move about in there. Then there's this ceramic tankard. So what we do with that? Put some paper inside it and a trusty business card. Loads of bubble wrap. Same as the ashtray, card wrap, anything ceramic or fragile, I'll do a little card wrap before putting it in a box. bang it in the box. So as always, I save the empty rows of brown tape, and they can be used as void fill to stop it moving about. Like so. And then last one. I think it's the last one. Yeah. Business card. Card wrap. Oh, look at that. Will it fit? Anyone would think I've done this before. And that is the packing done for today. Are you having a laugh? Parcel run in this weather. Hit that subscribe button. Dinner time. Cooked a nice pasty. Got this little business card holder here. Put a little note on it. I'm gonna go stick that on the door at the storage place. There we go, it's all up and ready. So anyone walking past this unit can help themselves to one of these. Doing a little Closet Geek special for you here. So there's a before. And here's the after result. All nice and tidy in here. Had a declutter yesterday and donated loads to charity. All dead stock that have just been sat around with very little interest, and that's even after price reductions, and it's still not shifting. I'll put another industrial rack in there so we can put stuff on top to try and maximise the space. Have a little front room there, look. Nice and tidy in here. Yesterday it was heaving in here. It was rammed. Had to get rid of loads of furniture. Don't know if anyone's ever seen this. It's a grandfather clock that I had restored. And then there's a smoker's cabinet I have restored there. That opens up and you get all like little compartments and some smoking memorabilia stuff. Nice Smeg fridge. Look at the scratch. I done that loading it in the van. Nice ugly sofa. So yeah, that's this place all tidied up and clean. Now I've just got to do the other one. State of that. Ugh. Makes me sick. Oh, I'll show you lovely lot. A little box hack. Now, you can make one size box work for you. So, this is a maximum medium parcel. You can have it as it comes, like so. Or what you can do is just do a little slit right down the middle. On this side, and the same on the other end. This is just a rough job, but it should give you the general idea. And then on the flaps, you cut that all the way through. What you do is where you've made the little slits, you can then and there you go. You just tape that down and you've changed the shape of the box in seconds. Thank you later. Just had an auction delivery, so give you a little run through of what's what. So kitchen table paid £8. I'll probably get 75 for that on eBay. The legs unscrew so you can actually post them. Then we got this set here, which is like a Mexican set. I'm gonna put them in the shop. What do I pay for them? £24.44 for the pair. I'm gonna put them in the shop. Probably ask 50 a piece maybe. Then we got big painting of a ship, paid £10. I'll get 60 on eBay for that. Then we got a sewing machine there, paid £6 for that. That there is not open, so we need to break into that somehow. There's no key, so we don't even know what sewing machine's in there. Then we got a Vax cleaner. I bought one very similar to this for myself, and it was like 150 quid brand new. So that should be, what did I pay for that? What number is it? I paid £10 for that, so I'll probably get 50 to 60 on eBay for that. Then we got this large garden fire hydrant ornament. That is like solid concrete, it's heavy as hell, and I paid in total £39. I'm gonna put that in the shop for maybe 100. Then we got this metal like iron wine rack. I paid £10. Gonna put that in the shop for, I don't know, maybe £40 or £50. 2 more vintage ladders, paid £6 each. They go in the shop for £35 each for the smaller ones. These are massive. So I might put these as a pair on eBay and aim for 100 for the pair maybe. A G-Plan coffee table. What did I pay for that? I paid £12 for that. So that will be between 50 and 100 on eBay. Then we got this here, which is just some ornaments, some Native American stuff. 18 quid, I think. But I'm gonna price each individual item and put it in the shop and maybe ask a tenner a piece. And then we got a load of like vintage toys and stuff. Not all of it's vintage, but some of it is. And for that, I think I paid, yeah, so £14 for all of that. I'll sell that on eBay. Then somehow they messed up my bid and said I bidded on this with that folding table and a load of curtains and 2 rugs and some bloody house stuff there. Look, oh my god, I never bid on that, and they made me pay £34.22 all in. Didn't even bid on it, but I've already gave the 2 rugs away, so I can't even go back to the auction house to get my money back. So I'm just gonna have to make do with what I've got and try and sell it if possible. Then a fire screen and some fireside stuff. There's more somewhere, can't remember where. Ah, up there. Now I paid, let me have a look. So £14 for all of it. So that I should do right actually. I reckon I could get like 50 for, maybe like £75 all in for everything. And then I won a bundle of tattoo magazines. That's just for me to look at. And then once I've finished, I'll sell it as a job lot on eBay for like 20 quid. Owes me a £5. Then we got another 2 pictures here. That's upside down. Another one there, tenner each, 40 to 50 on eBay. And I think, oh no, we got this one. Now, what does that owe me? That owes me like £41. And again, this is really heavy, concrete. So that'll look nice on someone's pillar as they're walking in. Like if you had 2 of them, 1 either side, but obviously there's only 1, but still I'm gonna put that in the shop and maybe ask 100 to 120. Again, all of this is just off the top of my head and I will need to research it, so prices may go up or down. So now I've got to pack all this away, get scrubbing, boy. So finishing up for the day. Well, finishing up at the warehouse for the day. I normally go home, have a shower, something to eat, and then turn the laptop on and carry on working. Work until I go sleep. So, pretty much tidied up, freed up loads of space here. If you remember, the M&M machines were here. I've moved them down the back there. Them ladders, I've just placed them there. They will get listed tomorrow and packed away. Dehumidifier will get listed and packed away tomorrow. Sky boxes and sky remotes will get listed and packed away tomorrow. Now, I've got some massive boxes there. These here will be packed away tomorrow and they will be packed away tomorrow. Other than that, everything is pretty much done. So this is death pile. This will get listed tomorrow. These bits here were today's job, but we just didn't get round to it. But they will get listed tomorrow. There's the old fruit machine again. That's staying there until my furniture restorer's got space to put it in his workshop and restore it. But look at all this space. That, I've pulled it out. I just need to pull it away again. These two bits here, they actually go up here. But I moved them to picture. Look at that. Got a little street lamp. Nice. And then this is drafted. Yeah, that's drafted, but not pictured yet. So that will get pictured tomorrow. Same with that. And then I've decided all my picture frames and stuff like that goes in tubs now. So you can just, and we'll put a SKU number on the top, so you can just flick through them, match up SKU number, job done. I used to have them in piles here, there and everywhere. And you have to unstack them each time and try and find them, and it was a nightmare. But look at all this space. There's the M&M machines now. Loads of space. All nice and clean. And it will just get even cleaner tomorrow. So that's both warehouses clean. And then, every time I come down here, I keep thinking 2 bloody birds have flown in. That's taxidermy there, in case you didn't know. And then the gym has been removed. Bit of a mess here. Well, not a mess. Organised chaos. So what I'm using this space for now is anything that is going to be put in the shop will be put in here. And then each week when I go Exeter, I'll pick out items from here, price it up, and put it in the shop. I also hang pictures all around the warehouse. So these are all listed for sale, but I've just hung them up just so it's easier to find. Oh, that's mine. So yeah, that is that. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I am on there now. Bear with me, I'm still learning the ropes on it. The link is in the description below. And then I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to put a screen recording up of today's listings. And then after that, it will end with my sponsored video for my cardboard box contact with links for discounts, etc, etc. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I just want to say a big thanks to SW Resources, my cardboard box supplier, for sponsoring these videos. So these are the boxes they supply me with. These are maximum medium parcel size for Royal Mail and Parcel Force. They're very good quality used boxes, double walled, thick, strong. I use them myself. I've got another stack over there. They're very good, I love them. I'd highly recommend them. And on their website, which I will link down below in the description, they've also do many other sizes. And I believe they even do brand new boxes as well. So get yourself on over to the website, which I'll link down below, and grab some boxes. And as you can see, they are double walled, nice and strong. And if you use my discount code RecoveredRiches5, all in capital letters for £5 off all products. Or Recovered Riches 10, all in capital letters, for £10 off all products. And Recovered Riches 15, right there, for £15 off all products. I will link everything you need down below. That will be a link to his website and also the discount codes.